RoboForm is an analyze security tool that helps users to store or manage password every time we browse on web application. We can use it by just add the RoboForm extension into the browser. So if you want to use it on Google Chrome, just simply open up your Google Chrome and then search for RoboForm extension. After that, click on the Add to Chrome button to complete the step. I'll go through a little bit about the background of RoboForm. So, RoboForm is an original password manager that released and continually updates since 2000. While in 2009, they released their first business version as RoboForm Enterprise. In 2010, they launched a premium cross-platform as RoboForm Everywhere, but in 2017, they changed it to freemium model to let any user to use it. Before we start using it, we need to download it first. In order to do that, we need to visit their web page. Search for RoboForm. Click into the first link. At the top, navigate to Download and then click on this download button. Once your download is complete, double click on it to open up this setup application. So first, we're going to select the language that we prefer to use. In my case, I will select English. After that, click Install. Wait for the process. Click Install again. So right now we have two options, whether to create a new account or to log in with existing account. I have already registered one, so I'm going to log in with existing account. So once you complete to fill out the information, click Next. So right now, we are going to choose which browser we want to add this extension into. In my case, I will only use Google Chrome and Internet Explorer, so I'm going to untick this too. Okay, click on Next to complete the setup. So right now we'll open up again the Google Chrome to check whether the extension is inside or not. As you can see, the RoboForm Password Manager extension is already added into Google Chrome. Right now, I'm going to demonstrate the use of RoboForm. For example, if I want to log in into Ulearn, for the first attempt, I have to log in manually. Using my own account, fill in my password. So right after we log in into the Ulearn system, the RoboForm will pop up a message, ask us whether we want to save this password or not into RoboForm. If we want to save it, we can change the name into Ulearn and click on Save. So for the second attempt, we doesn't need to fill in the password again because we already saved it into our RoboForm. So this is my second attempt, and I log in with the same account with just now. As you can see, for this time at the top right, we have the RoboForm icon. It says Ulearn. This is the password that we saved just now. It helps us to access into it more quickly and log in more easily. One of the advantages of RoboForm is it can be used anywhere and anytime. This is because it supports many devices. We can use it on computer or smartphone. You just need to log in into the RoboForm account to get the access for your personal password. In terms of security, I think it is very safe to use because the data will only be stored inside the device itself without any network flow.
LastPass, which is one of the security tools that our group has chosen for the project. So I'll start off with the most important security feature of LastPass, which is its data encryption. So as you can see over here on LastPass website, LastPass utilizes strong encryption algorithms to ensure your data is safe from malicious attacks. So as you can see, it explains over here the algorithms used for its data encryption. Furthermore, LastPass utilizes local-only encryption. This means that your data is encrypted and executed at the device level. Basically, this means that only you and your trusted ones have access to your data. Not even LastPass itself has access to your data in the vault. Okay, so moving on, the next security feature which is quite important, which is multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication means that once you log in with your email and password, you need to authorize or authenticate yourself with other methods. An example of this is with your phone. You can set up multi-factor authentication by clicking on account settings, and by clicking on multi-factor options over here. LastPass shows the free options for you to use and also the descriptions for each one of them. Alright, let's move on to the next security feature. Okay, so occasionally, depending on your security settings, LastPass will send security notifications to your main email over here. However, if you are paranoid or afraid of your main email getting compromised, you can set up a secondary security email as a backup. To do this, click on account settings, and click on show advanced settings on the bottom. Over here you can set up your secondary security email. Alright, now let's move on to the last but not least security feature of LastPass. And unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate how to use this security feature as it is only available to users with both a LastPass business and LastPass personal account. So to provide context, for LastPass business users, an admin can delete a LastPass business user's account at any time, and if that is done, all the passwords in that account vault will be deleted and will be gone. So in order to counter this, LastPass has given a solution by providing a function called linking accounts. To do this, simply log into your LastPass business account, and on the left side menu over here there should be an option to link your account to the personal account of your LastPass. Once you click that function or button, just enter your main email and your master password of your personal account, and your accounts should be linked. And if an admin decides to delete your business account, all your password will be saved in your personal account.